I'm Pedro and welcome to another video of IELTS tips. In this video, we're going to be looking at the IELTS reading section and with particular focus to matching features questions. So, what are matching feature questions? Well, with this question type, you'll need to match a list of numbered statements or pieces of information to a list of lettered options. The options will consist of features from the text, such as names of people, names of organizations, or years. So in this question, you may need to match research findings to the researcher, characteristics to age groups, or events to dates. Now, there are two different types of matching feature questions. In type 1 matching features questions, there will be a set of numbered statements in random order and a box containing a list of lettered options which answer the question. For example, list of people's names, lists of organizations, or a list of any other features that are included in the text. With question type 2, there'll also be a set of numbered features, but these are in the same order as they appear in the text. Like the first question type, there will be a box containing a list of lettered options. These are also features that will appear in the text, such as a list of theories or a list of achievements. No matter which question type is in front of you, if there are fewer options than questions, then you'll probably need to use the options more than once. Consequently, if there are more options than questions, perhaps you might not need to use any of those options, or you may need to use them more than once. Just like in other reading questions, read the instructions to make sure you know exactly what you need to do. So, what can you do to answer these questions as well as possible? Let's have a look at a few tips. I'd recommend skimming the text first. It's good to get an idea of what the text is generally about and what the topic of each paragraph is. While skimming, start highlighting or underlining any names or numbers that you see. This will help you with other questions that may have names or numbers in them. These should be quick to find as you'll be looking for capital letters and figures. Next, as with other IELTS questions, start reading the questions and statements and thinking about synonyms and paraphrasing. Let's take a look at an example. Start thinking about different ways to express a finding, opinions, and an assumption. What does finding mean in relation to a study? Maybe the text will mention the results or what the study concluded. Instead of opinion, you might read believe or think. The text might simply change assumption to the verb assume. So with these statements, can you think of different ways of saying intake of environmental smoke? It could be as simple as smoking. What about smoke-free public places and best solution? Maybe the text will mention offices or parks, and the best solution could be the most effective idea. Just remember, I cannot guarantee that these are the exact words that are going to be used. This is just to make you think of how else these keywords could be expressed. If a name or number appears only once, then it might be worthwhile trying to answer them first. This can help you eliminate statements from further consideration, meaning you'll have less options to choose from for the other names and numbers. When you find a name or number in the text, make sure you read before and after it to find the answer that matches to the statement. The answer may not be in the sentence where the name or number is located, so make sure you read around the name or number carefully. Now, this may not seem like the most important tip, but once you've made your choice, cross it out so it doesn't distract you when choosing the others. It also narrows down your list of options. And that's all for this video. I hope these tips have been useful. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave them in the comments. For now, good luck with your studies and see you in the next video.